Today I'm going to show you how to get a modded version of the GoodShort on your device, no jailbreak or computer needed. So as you can see, I got a ton of coins. So I'm going to show you guys exactly to do this. So what you need to do is go to the hex mods, and once you're here, guys, as you can see, it says GoodShort. So press on that, press the download button, and you're good. So I'm going to see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed it. But yeah, get the word out because this is super cool, guys. And if you go to the search bar and type in GoodShort, you can see it's super expensive, which is why I do not encourage you guys to spend any money on this whatsoever. So as you can see, guys, here it is. And we go to the in-app purchases. Look how much it costs. So be sure to go and try this out, guys. I'll see you later. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. This is an updated method and everything like that, so you can literally get like a ton of money with this method, guys. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video, but be sure to go and try it out because this is super cool, guys, and it totally works. But yeah, it's super cool. So as you can see, I got 800,000 coins. So yeah, all you have to do is go to the hex mods. So yeah, I mean, this is super cool. So yeah, I love this app. This is like so good, bro. Like it actually works pretty well. It doesn't even require like a jailbreak or anything like that. So be sure to go and try it out. I'll see you guys in another video. But yeah, subscribe to the channel because this is wild and it's updated and everything like that. So I'll see you guys later. But yeah, subscribe to the channel. This is super crazy and it actually works pretty well. So I'll see you guys later. But I hope you enjoyed it. This is super cool and it's like updated and everything like that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed it. But be sure to go and try it out. But yeah, this is super cool. And it actually is like updated and everything like that. So I'll see you guys later. But subscribe to the channel. Super crazy and it's updated and everything like that. And I'll see you guys later. I hope you enjoyed it. And peace out.